Okay, I'm going to show you how to do wood grain here. It's pretty easy. And just to give you some things, but if you take a fan brush, and I've got liquid clear on here, okay? It's all liquid clear. I'm going to put some paint thinner, odorless paint thinner. Just take a little bit, paper towel down there, knock it off, and then you start at the bottom or the top. I like the bottom. And you just pull up, and it's dispersing small amounts of, you can wiggle it, of paint thinner on there. Okay, and then as it starts to activate, I'll show you. One more. Take it off. You can see how it's starting to streak down here. Take it again, just come back up. And I've already applied, this is oil, okay? And you just do that. You've got to have that liquid clear medium on there, because it has a weird reaction with paint thinner that allows it to give these, it just starts to do cool stuff. And put a little bit on, you can always add more, but that's good stuff. Take a little more, just knock a little off, come over here. You don't even need to hit it all. You can go through and wiggle this is just a bristle fan brush. It's got some holes in it, which I think works much better. Move it around and right up to the top. You see some little lines in there? I like to knock a little bit off. Come over here, start at the bottom, pull up. This stuff takes a while to dry, and it continues to work. You can lay it up like that. Just go up, up, up. Okay. And you see how it's starting to get these cool little ridges in it? What I'm doing here is making some slats. What I'm gonna end up doing is pulling these off and then moving the tape when they dry and painting little different colors on the inside ones. But yeah, that's a pretty simple way to do stuff. And then like over here, maybe I want to get a little more right in here. Come right in there, maybe go that way. Go over, see, you can move it around. And then they'll start to gradually cause it to, I don't know if you can see that or not, but if you get in there close, see that? You see those little areas here? Right there? But that's what it does, and it starts to eat through and give you those little cool little things happening. Maybe we can put a little bit more right up here. Yeah. Okay. See how that works? And it gives you really cool grains and stuff. So I'll come back out, just kind of do that. And we can try a little more. So that's a good way to do stuff. And then just clean your fan brush off, and it works really good. Have a good day.